In this video, you will learn how to install an NCS 1020 chassis onto the 19-inch rack. Preliminary precautions. Take the necessary precautions to prevent electrostatic discharge damage. The tools and equipment required for this task are NCS 1020 19-inch rack accessory kit, torque screwdriver, Cisco supplied, or electric screwdriver, customer supplied, Phillips screwdriver, customer supplied. Before installing the NCS 1020 chassis, attach the ground lug. To do this task, turn to the rear side of the chassis and identify the grounding point at the top left. Attach the double-hole ground lug onto the chassis using the M5 pan head screws. Tighten the M5 pan head screws to a torque value of 3.1 Newton-meter or 27.4 pound-inch. Attach the mounting brackets to the NCS 1020 chassis. To do this task, turn to the front side of the chassis. Identify the left and right brackets from the accessory kits. Place the wider side of the bracket flush against the chassis. Note: use the markings on the sides of the chassis to align the mounting bracket screw holes against the chassis screw holes. Take help from other personnel to hold the mounting brackets while inserting the screws. Insert the M4 flathead torque screws available in the accessory kit onto the screw holes. Using the Cisco supplied torque screwdriver or your electric screwdriver, tighten the screws to a torque value of 1.5 Newton-meter or 13.3 pound-inch. Start with tightening one screw at the top left corner and then one screw at the bottom right corner. Later, tighten the remaining screws. Check if you have tightened all the screws. Repeat the steps on the other side of the chassis to mount the remaining bracket. Make sure you have tightened all the screws. Mount the NCS 1020 chassis onto the rack. Note: the mounting brackets fit only in the front posts of a 4-post rack. Therefore, you can use the mounting brackets and adapters for both 2-post and 4-post racks. To do this task, lift the chassis to the desired position in the rack. Note: the fully loaded chassis requires 2 people to lift. Alternatively, you can use a mechanical lift to position the chassis in the rack. Align the mounting bracket screw holes against the rack screw holes. Take help from other to align the bracket screw holes and the rack screw holes. Insert the mounting screws on each bracket screw holes. Tighten the 1224 pan head screws to a torque of 4.65 Newton-meter or 41 pound-inch. Ensure everything is secure. For more detailed instructions, refer to the hardware installation guide for Cisco NCS 1020.